law and order it will be there. More than 1,000 cameras has been fixed by all the departments. We should be very cautious. The image of Bangalore is very much important. So nothing should be no nuisance. If any nuisance, everyone will be picked by the police people.
Sir, now the BJP is demanding Priyanka Kharge's resignation, sir.
What wrong Mr. Priyanka Kharge has done? They are doing politics, let them do whatever they want. Priyanka Kharge has not been involved.
Yeah.
No name has been there. It is unless it a political attitude, let them do whatever they want. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಪಕ್ಷದ ಶುಭಕಾಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಗೃಹ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಆಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೋಬೇಕು.